Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Roblox and signing in. Once logged in, tap or click your avatar to access settings. This is where display preferences live. Make sure the app or browser is up to date so the dark option exists. You're beginning the only supported path. Adjust Roblox's appearance controls. Once done, proceed to display so the next step finds the right toggle without surprises. This avoids wasted time hunting for deprecated menus. Now navigate to the Appearance or Display section in Settings. It's often grouped with Accessibility. You'll see Theme or Dark Mode. Select Dark to change the interface. This directly flips UI elements, reducing glare and improving contrast for long sessions. Make sure to tap Save or Apply if prompted, because some platforms require confirmation. Once applied, the change should be immediate. If not, move on to the final verification step to complete the process. Finish by verifying the theme across menus and game pages. If anything still looks light, restart Roblox to force the UI refresh. If restart fails, clear the app cache or update your operating system since outdated system theming can block changes. Make sure to recheck appearance after each step. If problems continue, gather details like app version and device model before contacting Roblox support. This troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.